Automation and agentic AI both aim to streamline processes, but their underlying approaches are fundamentally different. Automation is driven by programmatic logic. It follows a sequence of commands to execute tasks. Think of it as a macro in a spreadsheet. It's efficient for repetitive, well-defined workflows, but it's rigid. It can't deviate from its programming. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is not just about following instructions. It's about achieving goals. Agentic AI systems are capable of perceiving their environment, reasoning, and making optimal decisions. They learn from data and experience, adapting their actions to achieve the best possible outcome. For example, an automated email marketing campaign sends out pre-written emails on a schedule. An agentic AI campaign, however, would analyze user behavior, personalize content, and optimize send times for maximum engagement. The bottom line? In essence, automation is making systems more efficient, while agentic AI is about making them more intelligent.